main screen. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more fancy mocktail. The mocktail name is Pineapple Coconut Breeze. How to make pineapple coconut breeze? First of all, take a shaker glass and you have to add some ice cube into the shaker glass. Then you have to pour 30 ml of, if you're having pineapple juice, you can add pineapple juice also. I'm adding 30 ml of pineapple crush and 10 to 20 ml of coconut syrup and 60 ml of lychee juice. Yeah, 60 to 120 ml of lychee juice. Then you have to add some lime juice or lemon juice. Just add some lime juice. Then shake all the ingredients properly. Then take any type of fancy glass and pour all the ingredients. Okay. After that, just take 200 ml of cranberry juice. Okay. And you have to pour the cranberry juice from the top of the glass. That's it. See how the fancy color came. Then you can decorate it, or you can garnish the mocktail with some lime slices or pineapple slices and some mint cream. See how the fancy color pineapple breeze mocktail is ready. I hope you like this mocktail. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See the fancy color.